Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to sell your used items on Facebook Marketplace. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Facebook app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Facebook app. After you open up your Facebook app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from here to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Marketplace. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Sell. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Items. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to add a picture. For you to do that, click on Add Photo. Then select the product photo from your phone gallery. So you can select as many as possible the product photo. So I'm going to select just two and I click on Next. It takes me to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to simply type the name of the product right here. So the next thing we want to do is to title the product. I'm going to enter generator. Then enter the price right here. So I'm going to enter the price range 150k. Then you can select on category tools right here. So under the category here, you can choose what is related to the product that you want to sell. So we just have to garage sales, miscellaneous, phones and electronics, and computer. So you can scroll down and then check if your the category here is household. So I'm going to simply click on household right here. So just choose a category that relates to your product. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on condition right here. Click on condition, and then what you need to do right here is to select use good. So the next thing you need to do is to enter the product detail, the product description, how far the product has been used so far. The next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, and if you don't want, then at this point here, you can decide which location you want your prospective buyer to come from. And for you to do that, simply click on edit right here. So when you click on edit, it takes you to where you will need to edit the location. So you can decide to change the location to be something like to do right here. And then when you choose your location, simply click on apply. It simply means that anybody that will have access to this product here, they must be living within this particular location. So you can scroll up and check some of the information you enter here. Once you are satisfied with everything, next thing you need to do is to simply click on published from the top right here. Click on that, and then in a few minutes it's going to be publishing and Facebook is going to review the product. Once they approve it, it's going to be live, and then you start making sales without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to sell your used items on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.